Salmon Alfredo with vegetables is a quick and easy meal that you can have on the table in just a half an hour. For thousands of years, salmon have played an important role in the culture and diet of the indigenous peoples who live along the Columbia River Basin of the Pacific Northwest. The Anishinaabek who live in the Midwest enjoyed eating many different kinds of fish long before settlers came to the area. Salmon became part of the local eating pattern when they were planted in the Great Lakes in 1966. Salmon are a fatty fish, which can keep your heart healthy and lower your risk of breast and colorectal cancers. These fatty acids also protect the health of both the mother and the baby during pregnancy. Pregnant and breastfeeding women provide omega-3 fatty acids to their developing baby through the foods they eat. This supports the healthy development of the brain, eyes, and central nervous system for the baby. First, gather your ingredients. 4 frozen salmon fillets, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 8 ounces of whole grain rotini, 3 to 4 cups of cauliflower, or about a half a head of cauliflower, trimmed, washed, and cut into florets, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 garlic cloves, minced, or a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of 1% low-fat milk, 1 1/4 cups Parmesan cheese, grated and divided, 1 cup plus 1/4 cup. If you want, you can also use part American cheese. 2 tablespoons of 1/3 less fat cream cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of frozen peas, thawed, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh flat leaf parsley, chopped, or 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, black pepper. Always start by washing your hands. Rinse the salmon in cool water and pat dry with paper towel. Drizzle a half teaspoon of lemon juice over the top of each fillet. Sprinkle each fillet with salt and pepper. Drizzle vegetable oil in a skillet, heat to medium-high, and place the fillets in with the skin side up. Wash your hands again and cook for 4 minutes, and then flip with a turner. Cook an additional 4 minutes. The fish is done when the flesh is opaque and flakes easily. Cook the pasta according to package directions to al dente. Do not overcook. Add cauliflower pieces for the last 3 to 4 minutes of cooking and drain. Melt some butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute, stirring frequently. Reduce the heat and sprinkle in the flour. Coat with melted butter. Gradually add milk, stirring with a whisk. Cook over low to medium heat until the mixture thickens, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of cheese, cream cheese, and salt, stirring with a whisk until the cheese is melted. Toss the sauce with pasta and cauliflower and add the peas. Place the salmon fillet on top, sprinkle with the remaining 1/4 cup of cheese and chopped parsley. Garnish with black pepper if desired, and serve immediately. Enjoy.